Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute felt fox Christmas ornament. He is adorable and he's the perfect addition to all my other felt ornaments that I have available on my website as well. For this project, you will need the following. For this project, you will need Fleece Fun's free PDF that's available on FleeceFun.com, felt in white, black, green, aqua, red, pink, and light pink, hot glue gun and glue sticks. You can also use white glue. HTV in black, blush and a small brush, Easy Press Mini, and Easy Press Matte. Great, now that you have all those items, it's time to get everything cut out. Felt Fox Ornament DIY free pattern instructions. Step 1, cut out the felt Christmas ornament. For the main body of the fox, cut out one base, one tail, and one of the fox face top, and one berry. I'm using red in the example, but as you can see, you can mix the colors and make different versions of the fox. Then, from white, cut one of the fox face and fox tail top. Set aside. From pink, cut out 2 ears and 1 berry. Tip, for the really tiny pieces, I like to keep a plastic bag handy to put them into to keep track of them. Cut out the leaves from green and light green, 1 berry from light pink, the nose from black, and the eyelashes from HTV. Now I've opted to use HTV for the eyes. You could of course draw them on yourself. You have other options. You can cut them out by felt, but they are on the smaller side. It's up to you what you choose to do for those. Weed the HTV. Now you have all the items cut out, it's time to start assembling. All right, now that everything's cut out, let's start to make the fox. Step 2, assemble the felt fox base. You will need the ornament base, tail, and tail topper. Line up and glue the tail topper to the top of the tail. Then line up the tail with the tail of the base and glue down. Set aside. Step 3, assemble the felt fox face. Line up the eyes on the face. Iron them into place. All right, now this is kind of my own little trick to get that kind of fun, flushed look on my ornaments. It's just a little bit of blush. That's it. Using the blush and brush, add a little color to each of the fox's cheeks. Line up the face top and glue into place. Next, glue the nose into place. Then glue the inner ears into place. All right, looks good. Let's start to bring it all together. Step 4, finish making the handmade felt ornament. Now it's time to bring the ornament together. Glue the face onto the base. The bottom of the face should overlap the tail a little. Using the base outline as a guide, glue the large holly leaf into place. Then add the small holly leaf. Finally, glue all the berries into place. You can add a hanger to the ornament by gluing a ribbon loop onto the back, but I find these ornaments stick just fine to the tree without the need of a hanger. Now, I like to just stick my ornaments on my tree, on my artificial tree back here. They stick just fine, they have no problem hanging on. But if you want to add an ornament hanger, that's really easy to do. I would just recommend that you do a little bit of twine between the 2 ears so it can hang evenly. That's an option. These also would make really cute gift tags. You could do a to and from and some HTV on the tail. I think that would also be really fun. That's it. You just completed the felt fox ornament DIY. This is just one of several ornaments that I have available on FleeceFun.com with a full tutorial. I walk you through it. It also comes with free files so you can download it and make your ornaments very easily. A lot of great options there for the holidays for you. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below any ornaments that you would like me to design. I'm curious what you're liking or what you're trying to make. Hey, do me a quick favor and give me a thumbs up for my hard work here and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future tutorials.